one thing you did. And maybe I just can't believe it.
It's been so long since I seen y'all. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Drknlvely and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing the mug, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and click that subscribe button, become part of the Dork Night Squad. We lit over here. I'm your good sis, my good sis. What's good, y'all? Happy 2023. We had to back up, push the camera further away from me because my hair can no longer fit in the frame. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed. Hair is lightly damped. We're about to do some rope twists on my Sisterlocks. I should not be doing rope twists on my hair right now, for the simple fact is I need to retie my hair next weekend, and with the rope twisting, baby, trust and believe it's a protective style. I will not be taking it out, but I miss it and I want it in and I need to shoot this video. So let's just get it done. So minimal products today. There we go. Rose water. The bottle is a reusable bottle. The rose water that I use, I'll put it up on the screen. That is what is in here. Regular smegular rubber bands and a possible hair tie just to keep your hair, you know, kind of organized. But other than that, that is it. And you need your freshly washed hair. It doesn't have to be on freshly washed hair, but I feel like it should be on freshly washed hair. But let's go ahead and get you, watch it. My booty's so big, it moved this table. No, it was the chair. So let's get you some updated hair. This is what my hair is looking like. It's definitely long, yeah. It's like bra strap length, mid back. But it's wet, so it's a little bit, so it shrinks a little bit up. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this done. It's gonna be simple and sweet. I'm gonna show you guys how I rope twist. Okay, it's not a simple twist, it's a rope twist. So there's a specific way that you have to do it. So this is how I do it, and this is how I get my rope twist to look the way they do on my hair. Y'all be like, oh, it didn't work out the same as me, because it's a specific way you have to do it. So this is the official tutorial. All right, so what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to split my hair down evenly down the middle. We're not doing that, because what happens is when I turn around, you could tell that my hair is split. You know, like you could tell I did my hair in two sections. So what we're gonna do is we're going to separate the front from the back. Okay, so now I got the back, you know, separated. So now I'm gonna split these into 3 sections like this. Okay, so then this is a section, and you could use more hair ties, but I'm just gonna use the rubber bands. All right, so that will solidify me not having that gap in the middle. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, so here is the fun part, the twisting. I'm gonna do fairly small twist because it's not gonna take me that long. Rose water. Okay, we're gonna take it and see, I'm twisting the hair as I'm twisting it. Do you see that? Slow-mo, slow-mo, slow-mo. Okay? That's what I'm doing. Literally, that's what I'm doing. I didn't mean to do it this small. This is low-key kind of small. We'll keep it like that. Okay, and then for the people who, like towards the end, they say it gets a little crazy, I just keep that same motion, okay? I just keep that same motion, okay? And I try and twist all the way to the end, but then if I can't, what I do is I just twist the end like this, and I just turn it onto itself, okay? So see, there it is. And I just turn it onto itself. So it makes it like a little bulb. See that? Look at that. It, you know. Selfie. So that is it, guys. It took about like 2 hours. I would have to say if I wasn't recording, it probably would have been 1 hour and 30 minutes. We'll add 30 minutes on just for stopping and making sure I was in frame and all that good stuff. But for the most part, 2 hours. I hope. To me, this is completely separate from two-strand twist because of the simple fact that I twist my hair kind of onto itself as I'm wrapping it or as I'm twisting it. So I'm twisting the strands as I'm wrapping it around itself, if that makes any sense. So therefore it's no longer just a two-strand twist, it's a rope twist, because I feel like it gives it a different look. I don't know, but that's just me. But I feel like that also helps in regards to a lot of people like myself who have different layers, like different lengths of locks in your hair. So when you're twisting it, you're catching those smaller, shorter locks in the twist, and they're kind of like locked in so they won't be poking and sticking out. You know what I mean? I swear to God, if I find another stray lock, I'm gonna scream. Yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. It's been a minute. Trust and believe, stick with me. I'll be back around. I'm recording a lot of old footage. Well, stick around. I am editing a lot of the old footage with the house because I've done so much more with the house, and then I literally just kind of stop uploading, and I'm sorry, but yeah, this is what we have, baby. Looks good. Let's see. So yeah, it's pretty much layered. So I'll probably keep this in my hair for two weeks probably, and then I'll take it out and I'll retie it. But yeah, I'm due for a retie, but I could go another week and a half, so don't tell nobody. All right, bye.